Hello, welcome to UML in Motion. Today we'll be diving into the basics of system modeling using a coffee vending system as our example. Let's start by understanding the system itself. This rectangle represents our system, the coffee vending system. But what exactly does that mean? The boundary of this rectangle defines the edge of our system, indicating everything inside that is part of the system and everything outside that interacts with the system but is not part of it. Essentially, this boundary helps us determine who or what uses the system. Now, let's talk about actors. Actors are represented by a stick figure. Actors are anyone or anything that interacts with the system, but they remain external to it. For our coffee vending system, the primary actor is the customer, the person who wants to purchase coffee. But actors can also be external devices, such as the bean rack monitor, which monitors the levels of beans in the system. We can also have a supplier who's primarily responsible for replenishing the beans in the system, and a sales manager who's primarily interested in coffee sales. In this case, we have a total of 4 actors that are external to the system. 3 of them are humans, and 1 is another external device. Next, we have use cases. A use case is an action that an actor needs the system to perform. In our example, the primary actor, the customer, wants to purchase coffee. Notice that the activity is written in upper camel case, meaning the first letter of each word is capitalized. Purchase coffee. This is a convention to clearly represent the actions within our system. Use cases are always represented by an ellipse with the verb or verb phrase inside. And the use case will be triggered by the actor, typically the primary actor, but also secondary actors. We'll now draw association lines between our actors and our use cases. The association line is a simple yet important concept. This line is used to show a relationship between an actor and a use case. It signifies that the actor participates in the use case in some way, typically by initiating or interacting with the process. In our example, the coffee vending system, the customer is the actor who wants to purchase coffee, which is the use case. The association line between them tells us that the customer interacts with the system to make this happen. This line doesn't indicate the flow of actions or the sequence. It simply shows that a connection exists. It's always a good idea to clean up your diagrams to reduce confusion of those who read your diagrams. Try to align everything, reducing overlapping as much as possible in your association lines. Congratulations, you have just produced your first use case diagram. We will develop the coffee vending system further using advanced UML features in part 2.